If you want to take partial screenshot on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to take the full screenshot, as this is the only way to take screenshot on this phone. So you can use any of the methods that you know. For example, we can use 3 fingers, touch and hold on the screen in order to capture the full screenshot. After that, we need to press this pen icon in order to edit the screenshot. Unfortunately, there is no way to immediately take the partial screenshot. You cannot really select the area immediately. You need to first take the full screenshot, and then we need to crop the area. So once we go to edit, over here you should be able to have these white corners, and you can use them in order to crop the area that you don't want to include in the screenshot. Not only you can go up and down, you can also go left and right as well if needed. Once you are done with the edit, just press this check over here in the top right corner, and this is how we can take partial screenshot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.